In this video, I'll break down the top 10 juicers and help you find the best one for your needs. Whether you need a fast centrifugal juicer or a slow masticating one for maximum nutrients, there's something here for everyone. If you want to check the prices of each juicer, check out the links in the description as I have linked to each of the juicer mentioned. Let's dive in. Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine. If speed and efficiency are what you're after, this Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine is your go-to. This powerhouse packs 800 watts of juicing strength, meaning it can tackle everything from apples to carrots in seconds. The extra-large 3-inch chute saves you time. Just toss in whole fruits and veggies, no chopping needed. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with its dishwasher-safe parts. It's durable, powerful, and backed by a 3-year warranty, making it a solid pick for busy juice lovers. Ninja NeverClog Cold Press Juicer. Want a cold press juicer that won't clog or slow you down? Meet the Ninja NeverClog Cold Press Juicer. Designed with total pulp control, you can choose between less pulp or lots of pulp for your perfect juice texture. It's compact, easy to set up, and features an anti-drip lever to keep your counters clean. Plus, all the juice contacting parts are dishwasher safe, so you can enjoy fresh juice without the mess. NutriBullet Juicer Centrifugal Juicer Machine. The NutriBullet juicer gets the job done with dual speed control, giving you full power over both soft and hard produce. It comes with a 27-ounce juice pitcher that seals tight, so you can store fresh juice for up to 48 hours. And thanks to the 3-inch feed chute, there's no need to waste time chopping. Just juice, pour, and enjoy. Cleanup? Easy. The self-contained pulp basin and parts are dishwasher safe. Deluxe Compact Masticating Slow Juicer. Small but mighty, the Deluxe Compact Slow Juicer is perfect for extracting every last nutrient from your fruits and veggies. Its 130-watt motor ensures you get a smooth, pulp-free juice, while the included frozen attachment lets you whip up homemade sorbet. The compact design saves counter space, and it even comes with a cleaning brush to make post-juicing cleanup hassle-free. Oster Juice Extractor. Power meets simplicity with the Oster Juice Extractor. With 900 watts of juicing power and 2 speed settings, it can handle everything from delicate berries to tough beets. The extra-wide feed chute fits whole fruits and veggies, reducing prep time. Plus, its rinse-and-ready filter makes cleanup super easy. Just rinse and go. If you want quick, hassle-free juicing, this one's a winner. Meet the NutriBullet Slow Juicer, a compact powerhouse that punches way above its weight. Don't let its size fool you. This juicer is built for major juice extraction. Its wide 3-inch feed chute swallows whole fruits and veggies, while the high-torque, low-speed motor squeezes every last drop of nutrition. The steel-tipped auger ensures maximum juice yield, and the no-drip spout keeps things clean. Plus, all the removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Whether you're a juicing newbie or a seasoned pro, this sleek machine is ready to level up your health game. Breville Juice Fountain. Need your juice fast? The Breville Juice Fountain Plus is all about speed and efficiency. This centrifugal juicer boasts an 850-watt dual-speed motor that can whip up an 8-ounce glass of juice in just 5 seconds. The extra-wide 3-inch feed chute means less prep work. Just toss in whole fruits and veggies. Stainless steel cutting blades and a micromesh filter ensure optimal juice extraction. It even comes with a built-in froth separator for smoother, cleaner juice. With dishwasher-safe parts and a smart storage design, this juicer makes juicing effortless. VEVOR Masticating Juicer. Looking for a slow juicer that delivers smooth, nutrient-packed juice? The VEVOR Masticating Juicer is here to impress. With a powerful 200 watts motor running at 60 RPM, this machine extracts juice while preserving maximum nutrients. Its wide 2.6-inch feed chute reduces prep time, and the pulp separation feature ensures pure, velvety juice every time. Fresh, healthy juice made simple. Cuisinart Compact Juice Extractor. Big juice power in a compact package, the Cuisinart is perfect for small kitchens. This sleek juice extractor features a 16-ounce juice pitcher for uninterrupted juicing, while the 40-ounce pulp container keeps waste in check. The manually controlled adjustable flow spout prevents drips, and the mesh filter basket grinds fruits and veggies to extract every bit of juice. With an easy-to-use food pusher and dishwasher-safe parts, this juicer delivers convenience and efficiency. If you want fresh juice without taking up too much counter space, this is the one for you. And there you have it, some of the best juicers to kickstart your health journey. Whether you're after speed, nutrient retention, or effortless cleanup, there's a perfect juicer for you. Next, I will show you the best home slushy machines to make icy, refreshing drinks right at home. Check this video out.